Dwight D. Eisenhower, a name that has become synonymous with exemplary leadership, was born in Denison, Texas on October 14, 1890. His military career began with his graduation from the United States Military Academy at West Point in 1915. Throughout World War I, Eisenhower served in various capacities, although he did not see combat. Instead, his time was spent honing his skills and knowledge, preparing him for the challenges ahead. During the interwar period, he ascended through the ranks, holding various staff positions and furthering his military education at the Command and General Staff College and the Army War College. These experiences were stepping stones to his most notable role during World War II. His leadership skills shone as he served as Supreme Commander of the Allied Expeditionary Force, successfully orchestrating the D-Day invasion of Normandy on June 6, 1944, and playing a crucial role in the liberation of Western Europe. Eisenhower's strategic genius and leadership abilities were not only instrumental in winning World War II, but also served as the foundation for his future roles. From the battlefield to the White House, Eisenhower's leadership journey was remarkable. Eisenhower, the seasoned military leader, made a significant transition into the realm of politics, securing his place as the 34th President of the United States in 1952. Eisenhower's presidency was a pivotal period in American history, marked by significant challenges that tested the mettle of his leadership. He navigated the intricate labyrinth of the Cold War, a time of political and military tension between the Western Bloc and the Eastern Bloc. Eisenhower's strategy of containment aimed to prevent the spread of communism, a policy that shaped much of his foreign relations approach during his two terms. The Korean War presented another pressing issue. As president, Eisenhower faced the daunting task of resolving this conflict, a remnant from World War II that highlighted the division between the democratic West and communist East. His strategic decisions during this period further underscored his commitment to maintaining peace and stability, both at home and abroad. The early years of the civil rights movement also fell within Eisenhower's tenure. Despite the societal tensions and deep-seated prejudices of the time, Eisenhower took steps towards advancing civil rights, including the desegregation of schools following the groundbreaking Supreme Court case, Brown versus Board of Education. Eisenhower's presidency was marked by a period of relative peace and prosperity, demonstrating his ability to lead in times of both war and peace. His blend of military expertise and political acumen formed the backbone of his presidency, reinforcing his legacy as a leader who could navigate the complexities of a rapidly changing world. Eisenhower's presidency wasn't just about managing crisis situations, it was also about building for the future. One of his most important contributions was the Federal Aid Highway Act of 1956, which led to the development of the interstate highway system. This significant infrastructure project transformed transportation in the United States, knitting together the country in a way that was previously unthinkable. But Ike, as he was affectionately known, didn't stop at roads. His policies during the Cold War were also crucial. With the Eisenhower Doctrine, he committed the United States to providing economic and military assistance to any country resisting communist aggression in the Middle East. This policy of containment aimed to limit the spread of communism and shape the geopolitical landscape for decades to come. Eisenhower also took steps to advance civil rights at home, most notably by enforcing the desegregation of schools following the landmark Supreme Court case, Brown versus Board of Education. This was a critical step on the path to equality and a clear demonstration of his commitment to justice. In his farewell address in 1961, Eisenhower left us with a warning about the growing influence of the military-industrial complex in American politics. He urged vigilance, demonstrating his foresight and concern for the nation's future. Eisenhower's accomplishments have left an indelible mark on American history, shaping the country's infrastructure, foreign policy, and social fabric. His influence continues to be felt today, a testament to his visionary leadership. After a life of service, Eisenhower's later years were spent in reflection and writing. Following his presidency, he retired to a tranquil life on his farm in Gettysburg, Pennsylvania. Here, amidst the rolling hills and historic landscapes, he found solace and space for introspection. His retirement was not idle, though. Eisenhower put pen to paper and poured his wartime experiences into his memoir, aptly named Crusade in Europe. This work showcased his insightful thoughts, offering a unique perspective on the events that shaped the world during his time. Unfortunately, on March 28, 1969, we bid farewell to this remarkable figure. His passing marked the end of an era, but his legacy lived on. His life, filled with service and leadership, resonated through the decades. Dwight D. Eisenhower's legacy continues to influence American history, reminding us of the impact one determined individual can have on the course of a nation.